I'll tell you how this place came to be. Many eons ago, there lived an enlightened Maharaja and Maharani of Anandapur, whose hearts were one with nature. So much so that the Maharani turned her palace grounds into a magnificent aviary so she could live among the birds. I am a descendant of that queen, and I have returned to become a caretaker of these wonderful winged creatures from places around the world. Now, explorers like you come to this place too. But my favorite part of each day is when the birds who live here join me in a dance to welcome all of you. Anandapur. So who are you?
My name is Russell, and I am a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Shabash, Russell. And who's your furry friend?
He's my dog. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Shriek boy. Shriek boy.
Hi there.
Did he just say...
Hi there. My name is Doug.
Oh my, you can talk. I've never met a talking dog before.
Oh yes, I can talk. I have just met you, and I love you.
Oh, I love you too, Doug. I'm Annika, a senior wilderness explorer from the local Chidia tribe, Mor Lodge. Mor means peacock in the Hindi language.
Wait a minute. It's you. We found you.
Found me? Was I lost?
If you are lost, I am a great tracker. I can find you. Oh, yes, I can, because squirrel!
We know you. We read about you in our Wilderness Explorers newsletter.
Oh, yeah, the newsletter about birds from around the world, right?
Yeah, now we're ready to have a new bird adventure.
Well, you're in the right place. Say, that's a nifty camera, Russell.
I use it to take pictures for my adventure book.
Oh, I used to have one just like it. You know, they don't make those anymore.
Really? It's my Wilderness Explorer camera. Hey, are they Wilderness Explorers too?
Well, I bet they are explorers and adventurers. Who's been out there earning lots of Wilderness Explorer badges? Raise your hands. Wonderful. Oh, shabash. Great job.
They should know our pledge. Oh, please, 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 can I lead it now?
Sure. Let me take your camera and we can say it together. Oh.
My Wilderness Explorers camera? I don't know.
Wilderness Explorer's honor. I'll put it somewhere safe and sound.
Really safe?
Yes, really safe and sound. Now everyone get ready to repeat after Russell.
An explorer is a friend to all.
An explorer is a friend to all.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
The wilderness must be explored. Caw, caw, roar.
The wilderness must be explored. Caw, caw, roar.
Caw, caw, roar.
Wonderful job, everyone. Give yourselves a hand. That works too. This has turned out to be quite a gathering of explorers today. I think almost everyone is here except for our other bird expert who dedicates her time to the study and care of the birds here. Please welcome my friend, Lucy.
Hi, everyone. Oh, hi, guys. Hi, Annika. Welcome, and namaste. In my time here, I've learned to interpret the birds' natural behaviors in order to better understand them. And you can too. Have any of you ever been on a great bird adventure before?
We did. With our bird friend, Kevin.
Well, who's Kevin?
Oh, I do miss the bird named Kevin. Yes, I do.
You talk? A talking dog.
with a bird friend. Right. Kevin? Does he talk like people too?
Oh no, the bird named Kevin talks like a bird.
Oh, and by the way, Kevin is a girl.
She is baby Birdie's. Oh yes, she does.
So, what does Kevin look like?
I'll show you. A wilderness explorer's always prepared. I have a picture.
Oh my, a really big picture.
You can keep it.
For me? Thank you, Russell. Let's check this out.
Oh, so that's the Kevin bird.
Let's hang it for everyone to see.
Yeah.
Yep, Kevin has long legs,
She can run very fast,
very fast, and she's colorful.
loud, and big.
I can see that. It sounds like you had an amazing adventure.
We did. Kevin is the reason we love birds so much.
Well, that's great. Well, Kevin was just the beginning.
Explorers, do you want to meet more birds that call this place home?
I do. I can't wait to have another bird adventure.
Hey, look, it's Miles. Hi, buddy.
Look at that, Doug.
That is an interesting birdie.
He sure is. Like Annika said, this is Miles, a trumpeter hornbill from Africa. These birds are so cool. They're designed for extreme flying. They can maneuver and dart around trees, catching their favorite treats, flying insects, without losing any speed.
I know. Would all of you like to see just how Miles flies in the wild up close?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Okay, I'll help. We're going to create a forest in the wild right now. If you're seated at the end of the row in this lower center section, stand up. Now, step into the aisle and turn to face the explorer just across the aisle, directly across from you. Raise your arms nice and high like this, like a canopy of trees. Very nice. Nice job, Doug. And hold it.
Okay, great job, guys. What do you say, Miles? This looks like a pretty good canopy over here. All you have to do is stay nice and still, respect our feathered friend Miles, but keep a close eye on him. Once he leaves my hand, he is pretty quick. Here he comes!
Shabash!
You see that, boy?
That was great. Thank you, volunteers. Now let's give the explorers on this side a chance.
Yeah.
If you're seated at the end of the row in this lower center section, you're going to do the same thing. Stand up and raise your arms nice and high like this, like a canopy of trees. Great. Looks like we've got another forest. And hold it.
Okay, same thing as the other side, just hold nice and still. Miles is coming from the other direction this time, so keep an eye on him. Welcome back!
Shabash!
Look at that bird.
Thank you, volunteers. You all made great trees. Give yourselves a hand.
Yeah, you guys did a great job. And Miles, you were pretty good too, buddy. I don't have any flying insects, but I do have another grape. Watch this. Right out of the air. You know, that's what it might look like if Miles were to catch one of those flying insects out in the forests of Africa. Pretty cool stuff, Miles. You were great today, but I do think it's about time for you to head on home. Do you remember which way you're going? It's through the same window you came out of. I'll help you out. Over here. Do you remember? This one? There you go. Through the window. To the left.
And that was Miles, our trumpeter hornbill! Now, our next bird
Is it a snipe? I'm still looking for one of those. Here, Snipe. Here, Snipe.
Guys, right over here.
Find the birdie. Find the birdie. Point.
Wow, he has a big beak, just like Kevin.
Yeah, he does. This guy is a ground hornbill from Africa.
Ground hornbills are amazing birds. They get their name because they spend a lot of time on the ground foraging for food with that big beak, which they can use with the force of a sledgehammer.
Hey, let me get my camera.
Your camera. Oh no, that's his camera.
That's his camera? No, I think Cyrano might have picked it a little bit. Hey, Cyrano,
Oh,
stop
he is
coming with the
angry
bird
bird.
at him.
Just stay right here.
No, Doug, he's not angry.
He's not. I'm so sorry about your camera, Russell. Maybe we can fix it.
That's all right. My Wilderness Explorer camera. Safe and sound?
Are you all right, small mailman?
At least I don't have to worry about breaking it anymore.
I'll find you a new camera. My gift to you.
Really?
Wilderness Explorer explorer's honor. Now about that bird, smashing food is just one of the behaviors birds learn to survive in the wild.
Yeah, and not all birds act so wild, right? There's plenty of birds that live around people too, like guinea fowl, right? And songbirds, cardinals. You saw ibis, the white birds with the really long beaks. There were macaws flying around, right? Gulls, grackles, mourning doves. Oh, and chickens.
Chickens.
Oh, chicken birdies. Oh, come here, you chicken birdies. Come here.
We'll be right
Chicken
back.
birdies.
Doug, come back, boy.
I think they're in for more than they can handle. Chickens are fast and pretty smart too.
Yeah, surprisingly smart.
In fact, there are all kinds of birds with special talents, and others with charm and personalities that make them so lovable.
You're thinking of parrots.
They grow on you.
But they can be some of the most challenging pets you could ever have in your home.
They can bite,
And scream.
and they poop everywhere.
Yeah, not the best roommates.
Very true, but some of these birds are so smart that they can mimic what they hear from the world around them. Just like Molly and Gabby. I have to show you these two.
Thanks, Taylor. Okay, this is Molly and Gabby. There are two different types of parrots, two different types of Amazon parrots. Thank you very much. What do you say, girls? Do you want to say hello? And how about some introductions? The one up front, this is Molly. Your name's Molly?
Hello.
You said that. How about Molly? No, she's Molly. What's your name?
I love these two funny parrots. They've lived together for so long that they act like sisters.
Yeah, it's true. Normally birds like this are found in South America, but Molly and Gabby have lived with people, so they've taken their mimicry to a whole other level. What do you girls want to show off today? How about, can you call the kitty? Very cute. I don't know why birds would want to call the cat over, but they did learn that. How about, Molly, do you want to sing your favorite song? It's the one about the farm. Yeah! Gabby cheering her on at the end too. That's so sweet of you. What'd you say? Yes, that was a very good old McDonald. Now, Molly took the lead on that one, but Gabby actually knows the song as well. Do you guys want to hear another one? Yeah, okay. They're ready for you, Gabby. Let's sing. Pretty cute stuff, and I just love they cheer each other on every single time. That was so good, but we do have a lot of other birds to see, so I think it's time for you girls to go.
Everyone say bye, Molly and Gabby. Oh, they both really are 2 in a million.
Yeah, it's true. I've never seen another couple of parrots kind of interact and finish each other's sentences the way that they do. But again, very challenging pets. You guys can imagine old MacDonald at 5 a.m. Oh. Hey, guys.
Be my friend. Oh, please be my friend. Whew. I am back now from tracking chickens.
Did you have fun chasing the chickens and guinea fowl?
Oh, yes, they were fast.
But not as fast as Kevin. She could outrun them.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes, that bird Kevin is much faster.
And she was bigger, like a dinosaur. But we were never scared. Not once.
Oh no.
Oh, no, we were not scared. Not at all.
Because we're brave explorers. Nothing scares us. Right, boy?
Great! Then you're gonna love our next bird!
Ah, a dinosaur!
Scary birdie. Scary birdie.
No, he isn't scary, it's just big. Russell, I'm glad you're still here.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Russell, we can tell you all about this bird, the Andean condor.
We call him Ozzy.
That's a big bird.
He sure is. Ozzy's one of the largest birds here. He has a wingspan of about 10 feet across.
Don't worry, everyone.
That's right, Russell. No need to worry. The fact is, vultures like Ozzy come in all different shapes and sizes.
Yeah, and what makes them so important in the circle of life is what they eat.
They eat carrion.
Yeah, which is
Dead stuff.
yeah, sounds kind of gross, but when an animal dies in the wild, a vulture like Ozzy comes along and cleans up the mess. It helps stop the spread of disease and make sure nothing in nature is ever wasted. I guess vultures are kind of like, whoa, you missed. Do you want to try again? Good job. They're kind of like nature's recyclers. If we all recycled a little bit more, the earth would be a much cleaner place. Ozzy, you are too cool, but it's time for my favorite part. When they run on the ground, they look so cute. Duck wins.
Carry on.
That was Ozzy.
Hope Doug comes back soon.
Yeah, I think you would have liked Ozzy. Oh, hey, look.
Oh, hi Doug. I'm glad you're back. Hey there. Oh, it's okay.
I do not like the scary birdie.
There's nothing to be afraid of, Doug. Remember, a wilderness explorer is friend to all.
That's right. And all animals are friends to us. If you appreciate them, they'll show you just how wonderful they are.
How about it, boy?
I am a friend to all the animals. Yes, I am. Especially the birdies. Show me the birdies.
Well, another one of our favorites around here is the crowned crane. Everyone, look up there and meet Fraser. Fraser Crane.
This is one of the many birds that help connect us with a world of stories and adventures.
Hey, Doug, say hi.
Hi there. I like the birdies.
When they like you, Doug. The crowned crane is the national bird of Uganda, a country in Africa where they're practically royalty with their tall gold crowns. Can't you imagine them flying over the plains of Africa?
Great job, Fraser. Hey, I have an idea. Do either of you want to feed Fraser?
I do.
You do, Russell? Okay, come on up here. I have a bowl with some of Fraser's favorite treats in it. Are you ready?
He really goes gaga for birdseed.
Yeah.
My hair sticks up like that, my mom makes me brush it.
That's pretty funny, Russell. But if you look closely, that crown on top of his head, those are actually all feathers. Yeah, they're actually shaped like corkscrews. It helps them stand up straight like that and makes for some really good camouflage out in the grasslands of Africa. I guess we'll see you later, Fraser. That was Fraser Crane.
Oh, that was a very friendly bird.
I'm glad you liked him, Doug. Coming up next is my favorite bird, possibly my favorite animal.
Look, let me see.
There she is, the symbol of pride for the United States of America, the bald eagle. Thank you. Everyone, meet Hope.
A bald birdie?
Well, Doug, bald eagles aren't actually bald.
My cousins in the West have told me so much about these birds. She's so majestic.
And inspiring. You see, not too long ago, the bald eagle was placed on the endangered species list. But then, through conservation efforts, all of us played a part in helping their populations to recover. And now, I am so happy to say that the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species!
Wow. We can really make a difference.
You're right, Russell. If we all make a conscious effort to protect our planet and all of the beautiful animals that we share it with, we can all make a big difference.
Thank you, Hope. And now I would like to introduce my favorite feathered friend, the peacock. In ancient mythology from India, a story is told that once the tail feathers of Mor Peach were dull. But in gratitude for the more protection of the people, the peacock was given his beautiful, iridescent feathers. So now, as the national bird of India, the peacock is the symbol of pride, protection, benevolence, joy, and humility.
Oh man, this rain is picking
dear.
up, huh? Oh, look, there he is.
There he is.
Are you gonna come out in this rain? I don't know. I think it's raining a little bit too hard for him
Just
to
a little
fly
bit,
down.
yes.
We never make our birds do anything that they don't want to do. So if he doesn't want, although it looks like he's gonna fly down here, he's thinking about it.
Here he comes. Very nice, Nabil.
I guess he's out of here. He's going to find some shelter, and I think Russell and Doug are going to as well. Unfortunately, with this weather, we can't really have any more of the birds out here flying around, so we're going to have to end the show here. But you guys are more than welcome to stay and hang out in underneath cover if you want to, and if you want to see another show, we have other show times later in the day. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.